A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amma yatasaalun, of what do they ask one another? Anin naba'il azim, about the great event. Alladzi hum fihi mukhtalifun, about which they differ. Kalla saya'lamun, nay, they shall soon come to know. Thumma kalla saya'lamun, nay, they shall soon know. Alam yaj'alil arda mihada, have we not made the earth an even expanse? Wal jibala autada, and the mountains as projection thereon. Wa khalaqnakum azwaja, and we created you first. Wa ja'alna naumakum subata, and we made your sleep to be rest. Wa ja'alna al-laila libasa, and we made the night to be a covering. Wa ja'alna an-nahara ma'asha, and we made the day for seeking livelihood. Wa banayna fawqakum sab'an shidada, and we made above you 7 trunks one. Wa ja'alna sirajan wahaja, and we made a shining lamp. Wa anzalna minal mu'sirati ma'an sajjaja, and we sent down from the clouds water, pouring forth above. Linukhrija bihi habban wa nabata, that we may bring forth tree, corn, and herbs. Wa jannatin alfafa, and garden dense and luxuriant. Inna yawmal fasli kana miqata, surely the day of the decision is a day of finite. Yawma yunfakhu fis suri fata'tuna afwaja, the day on which the trumpet shall be blown, so you shall come. Wa futihatis sama'u fakanat abwaba, and the heaven shall be opened, so that it shall be all openings. Wa suyyiratil jibalu fakanat saraba, and the mountains shall be moved of so that they shall remain a mere semblance. Inna jahannama kanat mirsada, surely hell lies in wait. Lilmuttaqina mafada, a place of resort for the inordinate. Labithina fiha ahqaba, living therein for X. La yadhuquna fiha bardan wala sharaba, they shall not taste therein cold not drink. Illa hamima wa ghasaqa, but boiling and intensely cold water. Jaza'an wifaqa, requital corresponding. Innahum kanu la yarjuna hisaba, surely they feared not the account. Wakadzabu bi ayatina kidzaba, and called our communication a lie, giving the lie. Wa kulla syai'in ahsaynahu kitaba, and we have record everything in a book. Fadhuqu falan nazidakum illa azaba, so taste for we will not add to you up but chastisement. Innalil muttaqina mafada, surely for those who guard against evil is a kifin. Hadaika wa a'naba, gardens and vineyards. Wa kawa'iba atsroba, and the sowing freshness of youth equals in age. Wa ka'san dihaqa, and a pure cup. La yasma'una fiha laghwan wala kidzaba, they shall not hear therein any vain word nor lying. Jaza'an min rabbika asa'an hisaba, reward from your Lord, a gift according. Rabbis samawati wal ardi wa ma bainahuma ar-rahman, la yamlikuna minhu khitaba, the Lord of the heaven and the earth and what is between them, the beneficent God, not be able to address him. Yawma yaqumur ruhu wal malaikati soffa, la yatakallamuna illa man azina lahur rahman wa qala sawaba, the day on which the spirit and the angels shall stand in ranks. They shall not speak as a he whom the beneficent God permits and who speaks the right things. Dzalikal yaumul haq, faman syaa'a attakhadha ila rabbihi ma'aba, that is the sure day, so whoever desires may take refuge with his Lord. Inna anzarnakum azaban qariban yawma yanzurul mar'u ma qaddamat yadaa wa yaqulul kafiru ya laitani kuntu turaba, surely we have warned you of a chastisement near at hand, the day when men shall see what his two hands have sent before, and the unbeliever shall say, oh, would that were thus. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ar-Rahman, the most compassionate. Allamal Quran, taught the Quran. Khalaqal insan, created humanity. Allamahul bayan, and taught them speech. Asyamsu wal qamaru bihusban, the sun and the moon travel with precision. Wan najmu was-sajaru yasjudan. The star and the trees bow down in submission. Was-samaa'a rafa'aha wa wada'al mizan. As for the sky, he raised it high and set the balance of justice. Alla tatghaw fil mizan, so that you don't defraud the scales. Wa aqimul wazna bil qisti wa la tuqsirul mizan. Work with justice and don't give short measure. Wal ardu wadu'aha lil anam. He let out the earth for all beings. Fiha fakihatun wan nakhlu zatul akmam. In it at fruit from trees with the stalk. Wal habbuzul asfi war rayhan, and grain with husk and aromatic plants. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of your lords favored with you? Human and jinn both deny. Khalaqal insana min salsalin kal fakhar. He created humankind from sounding day-like pottery. Wa khalaqal janna min marijim min nar, and created jinn from a smoke flame of fire. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of your lord's favors will your both deny? Rabbul mashriqaini wa rabbul maghribain. He is Lord of the two east and the two west. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of your lord's favor will you both deny? Marajal bahraini yaltaqiyan. He merged two bodies of fresh and salt water. Bainahuma barzakhul la yabghiyan. Yet between them is a barrier they never cross. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. They which of your lords favorite will you both deny? Yakhruju minhumal lu'lu'u wal marjan. Out of both waters come forth fit and coral. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of your lords favorite will your both deny? Walahul jawaril munsha'atu fil bahri kal a'lam. To him belong the ships with raised sails, eating through the seas like mountains. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. They which of your lord's favor will you both deny? Kullu man 'alaiha fan. Every being on earth is both to pants. Wa yabqa wajhu rabbika dzul jalali wal ikram. Only your Lord himself, full of majesty and honor, will remain forever. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of your Lord's favor will you both deny? Yas'aluhu man fis samawati wal ardi kulla yawmin huwa fi sya'. All those in the heavens and the earth are dependent on him, day in and day out. He has sometimes to bring about. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. They which of your Lord favors will you both deny? Sanafruhu lakum ayyuhu hatta qalan. We will soon attend to you for judgment, or to multitudes of jinn and human. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban, then which of your Lord's favor will you both deny? Ya ma'syaral jinni wal insi in istata'tum an tanfudu min aqsaris samawati wal ardi famfudu la tanfuduna illa bisultan. O assembly of jinn and humans, if you can penetrate beyond the realms of the heavens and the earth, then do so, but you can't do that without our authority. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban, then which of your Lord's favor will you both deny? Ya yursalu alaikuma syuwatum min narim wa nuhasum fala tantasira, flames of fire and molten copper will be sent against you, and you will not be able to defend one another. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban, then which of your Lord's favors will you both deny? Fa'idha anshaqqatis sama'u fakanat wardatan kaddihan, how horrible will be when heaven will spill spark, becoming rose red like burnt it. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban, then which of your Lord's favor will you both deny? Fayawma idzil la yus'alu an zambihi insun wala jan, on that there will be no need for any human or jinn to be asked about their sins. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban, then which of you Lord's favor will you both deny? Yu'raful mujrimuna bisi mahum fayu'khadhu bin nawasi wal aqdam, the weak will be recognized by their appearance, then will be seized by their forelock and feet. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban, then which of your Lord's favors will you both deny? Hadhihi jahannamul lati yukadzibu bihal mujrimun, they will be told, this is the hell which the wicked denied. Yatufuna bainaha wa baina hamimin they will alternate between its flames and scalding water. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban, then which of your Lord's favors will you both deny? Waliman khafa maqama rabbihil jannatan, and whoever is in awe of standing before their Lord will have two gardens. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban, then which of your Lord's favors will you both deny? Zawata afnan, both will be with loose branches. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban, then which of you Lord's favor will you both deny? Fihima aynani tajriyan, in each garden will be two flowing springs. Fabi ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban, then which of you Lord's favors will you both deny? Fihima min kulli fakihatin zawjan, which will be two types of every fruit. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of you Lord's favors will you both deny? Muttaki'ina ala furushim batainuha min istabraq wa janal jannataini dan. Those believers will reach land of furnishing land with rich brocade, and the fruit of both gardens will hang within reach. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of your Lord's favor will you both deny? Fihinna qasiratun tarfi lam mithunna insun qablahum wala jan. In both garden will be maidens of modest guess who no human or jinn has ever touched before. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of your Lord's favor will you both deny? Ka'annahunnal yaqutu wal marjan. Those maidens will be as elegant as rubies and coral. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of your Lord's favors will you both deny? Hal jazaa'ul ihsani illal ihsan. Is there any reward for goodness except goodness? Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of your Lord's favors will you both deny? Wa min dunihima jannatan. And below desert two gardens will be two others. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of your Lord's favors will you both deny? Mudahammatan. Both will be dark green. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Then which of your Lord's favors will you both deny? Shadaqallahul azim.